Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the cells of the anterior pituitary. So the cells of the anterior pituitary, so we have the anterior pituitary. It is divided into basophilic and the acidophilic cells. So broadly it is divided into the basophilic and the acidophilic. So under the basophilic there is the presence of the gonadotroph. So the gonadotroph, if you see, this is about 20%. It is about 20%. That is, it contains the FSH. So it contains the presence of the FSH as well as contains the presence of the LH. So there is FSH as well as presence of the LH. Next is there is presence of the thyrotroph. So the basophilic cells, they give the thyrotroph. So the thyrotroph is about 5%, and it contributes to the TSH. So basophilic is gonadotroph, thyrotroph, and thirdly there is also something known as a corticotroph. There is corticotroph. So corticotroph, it amounts to about 10%. So what does this corticotroph contain? So corticotroph, it has the ACTH. So ACTH, and it amounts to about 10%. So we already mentioned it amounts to about 10%, and it is ACTH. So basophilic cells is gonadotroph, thyrotroph as well as the corticotroph. Next we look at the acidophilic cells. So then we move on to the acidophilic cells. So the acidophilic cells, it contains the lactotrophs as well as the somatotrophs. So there is lactotrophs and also the presence of the somatotrophs. So the lactotrophs, it amounts to about 20 to 30%. Then comes the question on the somatotrophs, it amounts to 50%. So there is lactotrophs, it contains a prolactin. So right? Prolactin. And then comes the somatotrophin. This is easy, it is a growth hormone which amounts to about 50% somatotrophs. So all this, it comes under the acidophilic cells.